Good morning everyone. Today the students of class LKG are going to present a special assembly on our helpers. Let's welcome Prabhav and Ditya.
Why are you so tense? What are you thinking? I have shifted in a new house and there is so much work. I don't know how to do all these things. Oh, why are you thinking so much? Why not call community helpers to help you? Community helpers? Who are they? They are a group of people in our surrounding who work together to help us.
Let's welcome Pranav. Now, coming up next is Ansh as a postman.
I'm a postman. I bring your letters and parcels too.
He stays awake the whole night to make sure we are safe. Let's welcome Arnav as a watchman.
I am a watchman. I guard your houses when you are found asleep.
Cakes, cookies, bread. These are the things he prepares for us. He is the baker. Please welcome Aradhya as a baker.
I am a baker. I bake bread, biscuits, cake and cookies for you. I make birthday special for you.
Coming up next, Tejveer.
Batter cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as soft as you can. Pat it and bake it and mark it with tea and put in the oven for me.
Children, what happens? When somebody steals our things, policemen help us to catch them. Now let's welcome Damanpreet as a policeman.
Hello friends, I am policeman. I protect you from thieves and robbers.
Nowadays there is a lot of traffic jam everywhere, you know. Whenever I go to market, I'm stuck in the traffic jam. But thanks to the traffic policeman, he manages the traffic and makes our life very easy. Let's welcome Gurup as a traffic police.
I'm traffic police. I can't do traffic on the road.
Oh no, our tap is leaking. Whom should I call to mend it? Jaskaran is here to tell us.
I am a plumber. I fix taps and pipes.
The clocks goes tick 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 and he goes stitch stitch stitch. Here comes Jatin as a tailor.
I am a tailor. I stitch beautiful dresses for you.
Our house looked nice and clean with new and colorful paint. Children, who makes our house look new and colorful? Naval is coming to give a new look to our house.
Hi, I am a painter. I paint buildings to make them beautiful.
He sit at the crosses road to mend our shoes. Radhika and Bhavya are coming to show us how the cobbler helps us and makes our life easy.
Oh no, my shoe is broken. Let's look for the cobbler. Look, is there.
Cobbler, mend my shoe. Get it done by 2:30. Stitch it up and stitch it down, and then I'll give
Let's welcome Paki as a cobbler.
I am a cobbler. I mend your shoes.
Wow, my garden looks so beautiful. You can see many flowers there. Thanks to my gardener who makes my garden look so beautiful. Coming up next, Sartaj as a gardener.
I am a gardener. I take care of plants. I make your garden beautiful.
Injections, medicines, that's why children don't like him. But he cures all our problems. Guess who is coming? Yes, doctor. Welcome, Manit as a doctor.
I am a doctor. I work in hospital. I help you when you are ill.
Do you know who helped doctor? Let's see what Advika is going to tell us.
I am nurse. I help the doctor. I give you medicines.
Comb and scissors are his tools. He gives you a new haircut to make you look cool. Let's see what Harshit is going to tell us.
I am a barber. I cut your hair to make you look smart.
Milk makes us strong and healthy. But do you know who brings milk for us? Let's see who is coming up as a milkman. He is Anshveer.
With the morning sunlight, day begins shining bright. Driving a big motorcycle, here comes Milkman Uncle, here comes Milkman Uncle. With the morning sunlight, day begins shining bright. Driving a big motorcycle, here comes Milkman Uncle.
I am a milkman. Every morning I bring fresh milk for you, which makes you healthy and strong.
He works hard whole day in the hot sun to make sure we get food. Let's welcome Yashveer as a farmer.
I am a farmer. I grow crops for you. Crops play important role in everyone's life.
Our clothes will remain dirty when there is no washerman. Look what Bhavya, Vanshita and Vansh are trying to show us.
Look at your clothes. They are so dirty. Oh no. Mama will scold me. Can you please call washerman? Washerman. My clothes are very dirty. Please wash them. I am a washerman. I clean your dirty clothes.
He loves to play with screwdriver, nuts and bolts. You know who is it? Yes, Aradhya is here as a mechanic.
I am mechanic. I repair your machines.
Fire in town. Look who is running to bring it down. Vihan is here as a brave fireman.
I am fireman. I work in fire station.
An electrician works with electricity. Let's see what Aradhya is going to tell us.
I can store and repair electrical wires. I am electrician.
Let's welcome Niyati as an architect.
I am an architect. I design your houses.
Let's welcome Bhavik as a brave soldier.
I am a Thunda. I take a knife for my country. Then
Do you know who prepare yummy food in hotels and restaurants? Let's welcome Manveer as a chef.
I am a chef. I prepared yummy and delicious food for you.
Coming up next, Rohani as a waiter.
I am a waiter. I serve food in a hotel and restaurant for you.
Children, she guides and educated to us become self-dependent in life. Let's welcome Yashika as a teacher.
Good morning, children. How weather today? It's sunny day. Okay, let's sing a rhyme. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. But remember, if you don't, let's go to bed. Bye, children.
Thank you, parents, for inspiring our little helpers.